Hello friends, Carrie Ann here. It's living in Hendersonville and I am at such an amazingly adorable community called Blue Ridge Villas. It's a true 55 plus community here in Hendersonville, North Carolina. And I'm very excited because I'm hosting a bonanza open house this coming Sunday, April 19th from 1 to 3 p.m. I'm gonna be right here at 1 Wintry Drive. It's a townhome. It's listed at $365. It is stunning inside. I'm gonna show it to you. And this community will have 3 other open houses, but it is 55 plus, very quiet. You are 5 minutes from downtown Hendersonville, 2 minutes from hopping on I-26 to get to Asheville. And this townhome is so cute. It's the one that has the peekaboo mountain views. It is completely redone in 2025. Stunning. So I hope that you will come out to our open house, and if you can't, then I hope that you will schedule a showing with me. But let's check out the inside. Okie dokie artichokes, I'm taking you back to my favorite part. Well, it's stunning. So you have laminate vinyl plank, you have brand new bathrooms, all 2025, all of your major components, brand new. But I'm sitting here on one of my favorite parts of this townhome, which is the screened-in porch. I love a porch. You know I love a porch. I hope you can join me. I'll be here from 1 to 3 p.m. on April 19th. Like I said, you get to see not only this home, but 3 other homes here in Blue Ridge Villas. And Blue Ridge Villas is an excellent community for you to check out. If you're looking for that one level living, you're looking for that convenient to downtown, also convenient to 26. This is an excellent property. You'll want to check it out.